Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this beautiful manicure made with gel polish and on top with regular polish for the stamping. So I'm gonna start applying my base coat. This is the Peel Off base coat from UNT. And then as a base, I'm gonna apply Fifth Avenue. This is from Madame Glam. It's like a mustardy caramel color. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and then I'm gonna apply a second coat. Without cure it, I'm gonna use Toffee Break and Pumpkin Pie in this palette that I got on Amazon. Super convenient, by the way. I will link it in the description below. And I'm gonna mix together these colors with the brush. I'm using the Twinkle Tea number 2. You can use this code for a 10% of discount on their website. I bet you're seeing this technique before on social media, but I never tried, so I didn't have the tools. I only used a cleanup brush and it kind of worked okay. So with the layer that I had from the Fifth Avenue color, the first base color, I'm just gonna mix together the other two on top. And this will create a marble appearance on your nails. Then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds and I'm gonna use the WhatsApp Nails B044 stamping plate with this Essie Licorice. This is a nail polish that I got on the drugstore. It's a regular nail polish, it's very liquidy, so not made for stamping, but as you can see, it stamps super well. The good thing about the gel polishes as a base is after you cure them, they have a little bit of a sticky layer, so you can apply a nail polish on top and it will stick to the nail just fine. Then I'm gonna apply the No White top coat from Madame Glam. This is also a gel polish and I'm gonna cure it. It didn't smudge, it worked absolutely fine. So I really love this design here, the peel-offs that I got after 3 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!